Everyone out there in Facebook land. This is Dr. Susie Schulman, and we are going to be going live every morning from Monday through Thursday at 8:30, and we're going to be talking about how to start your day right. So if you missed that beginning, I'm Dr. Susie Schulman. Every morning at 8:30, we're going to be going live, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to start your day right. Now, let me start by saying going live isn't the most comfortable thing for me. I don't know the technology all that well. I'm learning as I go, so hopefully you'll be very patient and understanding. Understand, when you're understanding, the reason that I'm doing this is because I have 30 years of experience in the field and in life as a mom. I've raised three of the most beautiful, talented, wonderful girls that you've ever met, and I'm so proud. But it wasn't always easy. It was hard, and I've learned so many things that can make the journey for others so much easier. So I'm taking myself out of my comfort zone. I can sit back with all my knowledge and everything I learned, but I want to share it. I want to make the journey a little easier for other people. So here I am going live. And one of the first things that I want to talk to you guys about is how to program yourselves for a great day, for a great life. And I say that because people ask me all the time, how are you always so positive? How are you always so happy? How do you always maintain the energy? And it takes work. It's not easy, but there are such great life hacks that make it so much effortless. I'd like to make it what I call effortless rather than efforting through my day. So I'm going to give you tips on that today for sure. But before I do that, I wanted to say, I wanted to give a shout out to one of my patients, Victoria. She came in yesterday and she hadn't been in a while, and I told her that we were going to tell her story today. And she returned to care, I should say. She came in a while back. We weren't doing things the way we are now, so she didn't quite get the experience the way she did this time around. And she came in and she said, I really, I want to take care of myself, but I'm really busy. And I said, what are you doing? And she said, well, I have to go to this doctor for my headaches. I have to go to this doctor for my allergies. I have to go to this doctor for my dizziness, and I have to get all these things taken care of, and then I have a problem with my shoulder, a problem with my arm. And what Victoria didn't understand, and what I got to explain to her, and I felt so good that I got to tell her this, was that, you're running all over the place looking for all of these different answers at different doctors. Stop. Let's take a deep breath. The answer's actually right here. What you're not understanding is that when you start to focus inward, you take care of yourself, you take care of your body, you get yourself into alignment, you're not going to be running all over dealing with all these different doctors and all these different ailments, because it all starts to calm down, shut down these loud noises your body's making when you start to bring yourself into alignment. Your health starts with your own alignment and with the spine and taking care of that. So Victoria gets adjusted one time, literally one time, and she comes back the next day and we're showing her how to use the neck wedge. And I said, how you doing? And she says, well, the headache's gone and so is the dizziness. So right away after one adjustment, two of the doctors that she was going to, we don't need to handle. So now her time got a lot less spread out, and she's really hopeful and focused now. And shout out to her for really getting into it and understanding it and seeing just one visit, one adjustment, what incredible difference it made. And that's not, always the answer for everybody. And again, that's why I'm here. If it was just the adjustment, I wouldn't have to be putting myself out of my comfort zone on live. But it's more than that. And today I want to talk about programming yourself for a great day. And what does that mean? What are you doing first thing in the morning? How are you setting yourself up to have a great day? Because if you're not, you're leaving it up to chance. And quite honestly, at this stage of my life, I don't want to leave whether or not I'm going to have a great day up to chance. I want to make sure I'm going to have a great day. So I start it right. And for me, that means actually going back to the night before and making sure that everything that I need for success in the morning is set up for me. So I don't want any surprises in my mornings. I like it nice and calm. I surround myself with things that remind me of positivity. For instance, even my coffee mug has a little saying on it, "You are stronger than you know." I have another one that says "Soul Focused." I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's literally writing on my glass. Why is there writing on my glass? Because I found that when these inspired thoughts come to me, especially in the morning when I'm programming myself for a great day and I don't want to lose them, I purchased a marker just from off of Amazon. It's called Liquid Chalk. And I write these ideas on my mirrors and my windows or whatever's in front of me, so that again, I'm thinking of the good things. I'm programming myself for a good day. Now, unfortunately, what that means is I also have to protect myself from things that I don't want in my life in the morning. I don't want to hear gossip. I don't want to be scrolling through and seeing people in arguments or listening to the news and hearing how crappy our country's doing. That does nothing for me and for my alignment. That just enforces the negativity rather than the positivity. So you want to continue to look for things that make you feel good in the morning. Program your day, meaning write down, what is your day about? What are the things that you need to accomplish today? And how do you feel? How do you want to feel as you're going through these tasks? Okay, because if I write down, I have to do this, 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 and this, and I don't tell myself, oh, and I'm going to really enjoy doing that, and I'm excited about it, and I truly am, but I program myself for that. I tell myself that, and guess what? I'm going through these tasks. I'm like, wow, this is so much fun. This is cool. Because I told myself and I programmed myself, and everything I surrounded myself with is positive in my day. So again, I answer that patients ask me all the time, how do you keep yourself so positive? It doesn't happen by default. It's programmed. I make sure that I'm set up with positive. I make sure I surround myself with people who are positive, thoughts that are positive, conversations that are positive. It's all intentional. And guess what? It works. I'm happy and healthy and great, and I want to share that with you. Again, forgive the fact that I may not be the best communicator at this or the best technologically, but I'm doing it out of, I want to share ways to make it easier for everybody else. Because again, 30 years in, I'm so grateful for where I am and where I wound up, but I think it could have been a lot easier if I had somebody telling me the things that I'm trying to share with you. So every morning from 8:30, it's going to be quick, less than 10 minutes, little life hacks that are going to just help you make your day hopefully that much easier, that much better. I want to share some stories about what's going on in the practice because things are always fantastic and great there. Claim your alignment and have a wonderful day. Always stay connected. Love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.